Hello, my name is Juan Andres Nieto and I will explain you the generic classes on programming. Why to use generic classes is the first list on this explanation that is important to use is the reusable code. The second one is the type of security, the easier maintenance, and less cases. Okay, generic classes against another focuses. With generic classes, the flexibility is total without forced conversations, a better man scalability, and the code is cleanest. And another focuses is the disadvantages of that is that multiplex classes or similarity, uh, the conversations could be mm, on safety, and the fits of code could be high the time to produce it, and the duplicate coding. The generic methods, the universal operation, the coherence is guaranteed, and the extensions and the adaptability is easier. The parameters generics. The parameter generics is four, and the first one is key. That it means key. The number n, that it means number. T is type, and B is value. These parameters represent makes and the position to do a specific uh, when is necessary to use according to the process that we need to do. And there is some examples to understand better when it's necessary to use the type of parametry according to the necessary implement that the customer need or that the programmer needs to solve. The definition is that the parameters help us to the coherence and the angle of the classes. The compilation is the adaptability that we need to do in the moment, and maybe to download specific mates or libraries to implement easier code without less codes of lines, and to improve the understand of the code and the flexibility. And there is a explanation to how these the compilation helps to reuse some specific code. And there is an example on what we can immigrate of high level programming languages according to the usability that we need on the moment. And the conclusion is that versatility, security, and the efficiency is better when we use a generic classes. And that's it. Thank you for seeing you, and see you in the next activity.